Hi students, in this video we are going to see about what is alcohols, phenols and ether, their IUPAC, preparation properties. Let us go into the video. So alcohols, the general representation of alcohol is ROH. Alcohol is ROH, is nothing but alcohol, and ether will be ROR, and phenol will be like benzene ring with OH, is nothing but phenol. So alcohol ROH, it should end with all, and general representation is ROH. Now let us see the IUPAC of these. Okay, so let us see. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. The longest carbon chain here is 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. So it is propanol. Okay, longest carbon chain is 3 with OH, so it is propanol. So the longest carbon chain is 4 and OH is attached to the second position. So it is butan to all. Okay, so the longest carbon chain is 4, so it is but, and the OH is attached to the second position, so it is butan to all. One, two, so this is a bond line formula where only the lines are shown, and so we don't show carbon and hydrogen. Is it okay? So the number of carbon atom is actually 4, so it is butan 1-ol or simply butanol. How about this compound? So the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon atoms, which means it is pentane, and where the OH is attached to the third carbon atom. So it is pentane 3-ol. Okay? Understood how to name this? Yes? So how to name this compounds? So let us see. Here you should select the longest carbon chain again. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In second carbon atom you have methyl group, and in third carbon atom you have OH group. So how will you name this? 2-methyl pentane 3-ol. 2-methyl pentane 3-ol. 2-methyl pentane 3-ol. So how to name this? You have to select the longest carbon chain correctly. See, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So I think we have to start the numbering from this side only. Your substituent and the functional group always should get the least number. So how to name this? You have a methyl group here, you have methyl group, here also you have a methyl group. So how will you name? 2, 4, 4. Okay. So 2, 4, 4. How many methyl groups? 3. So trimethyl, and the longest carbon chain is 6. So hexane. 2, 4, 4. Trimethyl hexane. Next, the longest carbon chain here is 3. So 1, 2, 3, and in second position you have a methyl group. To the same second position you have OH group. So how will you name this? 2-methyl propan 2-ol. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. Is that okay? Right? Understood? Yes. How to name this? First, select the longest carbon chain. See to that the substituent and the functional group should get the least number. And suppose to the same carbon atom, if it is attached like the second compound 2, 4, 4, you have to represent 2 times. Is it okay? So this is tertiary alcohol, right, the previous one. So now we are going to see, suppose I have in a ring, how will you name? So how will you name this? Cyclohexanol. Okay, the OH is attached to the cyclohexane. So how will you name this? Cyclohexanol. What about this? 1-cyclohexyl methanol. 1-cyclohexyl methanol. You can't say a ring, no, it's not a benzene ring. So you can't say phenyl, it is cyclohexyl. What about the next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cyclohex 2En1ol. Cyclohex 2En1ol. Okay. So cyclohex 2En1ol is again IUPAC. Okay. So understood how to name this. Now we will see about the phenol with respect to the benzene ring. Let us see. This is called phenol. Two, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. It's a picric acid. So it is 4-methyl phenol because the benzene ring with OH is phenol and that is 1 actually. Okay, so 4, 5, 6. So it is 4-methyl phenol. Okay, 4-methyl phenol. Then benzene ring CH2OH 1-phenyl methanol. 1-phenyl methanol. Okay, so this is how you should name it. I have an OH, I have an COOH. Then how will you name it? The preference goes to acid, right? The preference goes to acid. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. So whenever OH is used as substituent, you have to name it as 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid, or benzoic acid also you can say. So 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. Okay, so that's salicylic acid is the common name here. Okay, so salicylic acid is the common name, and how will you name the IUPAC? The OH here is used as substituent, so you have to name it as 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. Okay, got it? So now let us see ethers. Generally ROR is nothing but ether. How will you name the ether? It should be oxy, alkoxy alkane. So how will you name that? CH3OCH3. So how will you name? Methoxy methane. Methoxy methane. CH3OCH2CH3. So it is methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. You have to take the oxygen with the less number of carbon atom, and then longest carbon chain is 2. So it is methoxyethane. How will you name this? Methoxypropane, right? Methoxy, longest carbon chain is 3, so propane. So methoxypropane, longest carbon chain is 3, so it is methoxypropane. How about this? The longest carbon chain is 3 and the methoxy group is attached to the second position. So it is 2-methoxypropane. Propane. 2-methoxypropane. So you have to select the longest carbon chain. Okay. Select the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3. You have a methyl group, you have a methoxy group. Now preference goes to METH. METH is common, right? But oxy, no? So you have to give the preference to that. So it is 2-methoxy, 2-methyl, longest carbon chain is 3, so propane. 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. Got it? Understood? So benzene ring with OCH3. It's actually anisole name, common name, accepted as IUPAC, but actually it is methoxy benzene, right? The proper IUPAC will be methoxy benzene. Suppose you have benzene ring with OC2H5, it is phenol. Okay, phenol. How will you name? It is ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy benzene. Okay. So this is how you should name all the IUPACs of alcohol, phenol and ether. Is it okay? So now in the next video we will be seeing about the preparation of alcohols. Okay. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.